Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your Ford credit or finance account on your Windows PC or laptop. Firstly, open your preferred search engine and type in Ford Finance Login in the search bar, then hit search. You will see several links on the screen. Look for the one that says Official Site of Ford Credit. In the same link, you can see Sign in and Create Account option. If you haven't created your account yet, then choose Create Account option, but to log in, click on Sign in option. This will take you to the official page of Ford Finance or Credit. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. Next, enter your mail ID that you used to create your account and input your account password. There is also an option called Forget Password, which helps user to reset their password. Once you have entered your mail address and password, hit the sign in button, and there you have it. That's how you log into your Ford Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.